Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be giving you project overview of Sai World 1 by Paradise Group. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the sales office. I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of this project. But before that, let me tell you the points that we're going to be discussing in this video. So we are going to be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. So guys, as you can see, I'm standing right in front of the sales office. Right behind me is the sales office. And right over here is the actual land parcel. Have a look at it. Also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood. Right there is your Eastern Express Highway. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 4 acres with 2 towers, ground plus 35 floors with configuration of 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Nerul East opposite to GY Patil Stadium with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 1 minute, Thane Belapur Road at a distance of just 2 minutes and Juhi Nagar Station at a distance of just 5 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities including swimming pool, gymnasium, yoga center, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has 2 configurations, 2 and 3 BHK, where 2 BHK ranges from 840 to 842 square feet and 3 BHK ranges from 1119 square feet to 1254 square feet. Talking about booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the exact project details. We'll also show you the actual flat and the sample flat, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of Sai World 1 by Paradise Group located in Nerul. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.